Hi guys, so in this video I'll be telling you one of the common errors you face when you start a Tomcat server and check it on a browser. So you commonly get that 404 error. So let's see, we start this server. Start it. And then when you go and check it on your browser, it says 404 error. So how to resolve this? For this, you go back to your Eclipse, click on properties, and you see this option location workspace metadata. You switch location, click on OK, then you double click on this option and you go to server location. You see by default the first option is selected, so you have to change that and you have to select the second option. Use Tomcat installation, takes control of Tomcat installation. Then you close this, save the changes and just restart the server once. So now go back to your browser and check again. Yes, the problem is resolved now. So if you're facing a similar issue, you can try this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.